Hello and welcome to the news at Who? Me. Why do I think I'm in horrible histories? I'm actually embarrassing. I am doing a Shein haul today. I'm actually so excited for this one because I have bought so much clothes. We're in the middle of a lockdown and the only way that I am getting through this is through retail therapy. RIP my bank account, but it's okay because we're getting some sick outfits. Like, I have literally bought all of the clothes that I've always wanted to buy or I've seen on TikTok and never even had the money to buy, had the confidence to wear, or just be worried that people were saying, that's not you, why are you wearing that? So yes, I just want to also say I've not been sponsored or anything. Like, this has all just been bought off my own back. I am not famous. Shein would not be sponsoring me. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Come on, it's Felicity, you bring this town electricity.
I'm going to start off with accessories because I've got 3 of them on right now. So, first of all, we have a lovely little fake Vivienne Westwood pearl necklace. I really like this, however, because it is cheap, whenever I do anything it flips upside down. But you know what, it was about £1 something. I will link everything here and everything will be in the description as well. Everything was really cheap, but I did spend about £300 I think. This one did really break the bank, but you know what, that is fine. We move on, it's okay. Money comes and goes. Clothes come. It was worth it. It was worth it, okay? So then we have this little star necklace as well, which is really cute. Like I said, you can extend the lengths of all of these. These are my 2 staple necklaces that I wear all the time. So whenever I buy necklaces, I tend to try and make sure that they're shorter so that I can stack them. And then the other thing, the accessory that I have on me is this snake belt. I really like this belt, but it is so long. Like, this is ridiculously long. That basically goes around my waist twice, so I had to get my dad to punch a hole in it, and obviously it was only one size as well. I've got all of these different colour hairbands, so like Alice bands kind of hairbands. I really wanted the black and white ones, but it was actually cheaper to get all of these colours as well. So let me show you the white one as I'm wearing white. The only thing is I'm probably gonna get foundation all over it, but yeah, I'm an absolute lover of headbands. I think they are so nice. Okay, this really isn't the hairstyle for a headband, but I think it's really nice when I have my bangs out the front as well. But yeah, so headbands, 10 out of 10. They were also super cheap. We'll link everything on the side. Another thing, these little butterfly clips. I've wanted these for ages. I actually got 2 in right now, as you can see. So these little butterfly clips I absolutely love. As you can see, there's black ones. Oh, let me get them out. Black ones, or these kind of, I don't know what you call them, like giraffe. They definitely have a specific name, but I can't remember. But they're these as well, and you get quite a few in there as well. And my other hair related item, these little elastic hairbands. So cheap, and you get so many in here. Look at all of them, so you can do the cute little braids. I'm so excited to use all of these. But yeah, once again, super cheap. And then this is my item, which I'm not very sure about. So these are 3 of those silky headbands. Got pink, black and white. And they're just, I bought them knowing that they weren't me, and I got them and I realised even more that they just weren't me. So let me try and show you without getting foundation. There we go. I know that that needs to go under my hair, but it's just not a bit of me, I'm sorry. Like, but really cheap. Yeah, I just wouldn't buy again, but I can't be bothered to send it back for like £2. Okay, so now this is my absolute favourite outfit out of everything. So if I show you up close, so we've got the shirt, which I think was £11.40. These are sunglasses, which I am absolutely living for. V-neck jumper, pleated skirt, £10.99. Like I said, I will link everything here and in the description so you'll be able to see. But yeah, this is my absolute fave. I've got another similar one which I will put on and show you next. So let's get into it. This outfit is very similar but different. What I do have to say is I think the quality of the blue V-neck, and the plain blue skirt is better, even though they're the same price. And we've also got pink glasses. Who is she? Who is she? I feel famous. Make me famous, because I feel famous. I want to live my famous life. But yeah, so this skirt is a lot thinner than the other one. But I do have to say I do really like both of these outfits. I think they can be worn casually or smart. Like, I would literally wear this to work. But no, I really like 10 out of 10 for these. Absolutely love these outfits. These are definitely my faves. Okay, so this skirt was £6.99, I think. But it just doesn't seem to sit quite right, like with the slit here. And I will say it is quite big, like it's quite big, quite see-through as well. But I do like it. It's very me. Pink check print skirts are very me. But no, like, it's not awful. I will still wear it, obviously, but it's not 100%. So this was £7.99 for both of these. They came as a set. I have to admit, the trousers are a bit baggy. I would have liked if they had belt loops, but they don't have belt loops, so can't complain. And then the top, as you can see, is very see-through, but you can expect that with any Shein purchases that are white. Ultimately, if it's white, it's gonna be see-through. You're just gonna have to accept that. But I quite like the fact that you can have it long or you can have it short, but it is very see-through. And the trousers are nice, but a bit baggy. Okay, now this is another item that I've literally wanted forever, some silk PJs. And this is a little PJ set. So it comes with the shorts. Oh, cheeky. But yeah, no, I like this. Feels nice. Happy with that. Good purchase. So next, this is one that I'm very excited about. We have this pink, what do you call it? A corset top. I am wearing a bra underneath this, I'm not gonna lie, because I am flat chested. But yeah, I don't have anything that this will go with right now, but I really like it. It does up at the back like a bra, and it makes my boobs look nice, so we're happy with this. These pants, I wish I could fit them all in on one thing. Like, I'm just obsessed. Okay, so zebra print pants. I'm sure you have seen these everywhere. They've literally been everywhere. White polo neck, which I honestly just use for the turtleneck, because when I put on like a black jumper and it's really cute, you know what? Go check out my Instagram. I'll link it here. This actual outfit was in my most recent post, so please go check it out. Go check out my Instagram, my TikTok as well. All of my socials will be linked down in the description. Really appreciate it if you would go check it out. Next, we've got this little blue long sleeve top. I basically have no long sleeves because I'm a sweaty gal, let's just say that. And if I just was looking for some long sleeve tops. So yeah, we like this one with the trousers as well, so you can see them up close. They're very nice, but they are a zip waistband, so you need to get the right size basically. All of my clothing will be in a small or an extra small. I changed my hairstyle because every time I put a piece of clothing on, the clips would fall out. Next we have this kind of sagey green halter neck. The only thing with this is if you wear a bra, which I know you're not supposed to with halter necks, but I am insecure, so I'm going to wear a bra. You can obviously see it, but I know that there's bra tricks that you can use, but I can't be bothered just for this video. But yeah, really cute. I like the end, it's all like frilly, so yeah, we like this one. Yeah, so next we've got like a collared vest. I, once again, just like the polo, literally bought this with the intention purely of using the collar underneath jumpers. Didn't particularly want it, but like I said before, I'm sweaty and I thought a vest would be better than a short sleeve. And I also have this in white as well. Let me turn it the right way around. I don't want to try this on because honestly, getting foundation on white stuff, it's just not worth it. It's just not worth it. But yeah, so this exact same thing in white as well, which you can imagine. This, we've got this really cute little dragon print corset type of top. This top is a really strange material. It's kind of like cotton lycra is the best way that I can describe it. It's really thin, but it does have boning under here, which is nice, and it does up at the front like a bra. And yeah, I really like this one, so you can see it better. I like the pattern, but like I said, I'm not a fashionista. I'm really bad at putting outfits together, and I have absolutely no idea what to wear on the bottom with this. So please, if you have any suggestions, drop them in the comments, help a girl out, help me live my fashion life. Okay, so I know that cow print was a bit summer 2020, but I really like this top, I'm not gonna lie. Ignore the fact that it really does not go with my zebra trousers, but we'll just block that out. Really like this. It's like the panel, oh, the paneling. I'm obsessed with cow print at the moment. I've got cow print Air Forces, which I painted myself. Absolutely love cow print. I love this top. A little bit big up top, but that's because I'm part of the itty bitty titty committee. Okay, so these next two are a little bit questionable, but basically, because Bridgerton is a thing, oh, I'm just gonna show you. So yeah, this is the next one. I've obviously had to put a white bra on underneath because I did not want to be freeing my nipple to the whole of YouTube. But so this is like a floral lace bodysuit. I have absolutely no idea when I will ever wear this, but if I ever get invited to a ball, at least I now have something. And there's another one coming right after this that's very similar to this, and I am sorry. Okay, so I prefer this one to the first one, but I feel like you're really not getting the full effect when I have this ugly white bra underneath. But there is absolutely no way that I am getting my nips out on YouTube. But this one is more comfortable than the other one. The other one was very itchy, and I cannot imagine myself wearing it for a long period of time at all. But it is pretty. I mean, look, you can see all the detail. It's got these, they're both bodysuits, they clip at the bottom. It is pretty. But I just have no idea why I bought this. Why did I buy this? I don't need this. I'm never gonna wear this. Let's move on to something more practical. Okay, so this is miles more practical. We have a cute just little black long sleeve top for layering, and then a cute little brown cardigan. I absolutely love this cardigan. I wear it every day. So good for working from home because I think it just adds a little bit of pizzazz to any outfit. If I put this over my pajamas, I feel like I look sophisticated, but all round, great purchase. Okay, so if you know me, you will know that anything that is pink and fluffy is the way to my heart. So I mean, what more can I say? Oh. She's living, she's thriving. I'm in love. I mean, these trousers are absolutely huge. So maybe not so cute, but they're so comfy. Like, yeah, I mean, we could fit a whole dick, a whole 5 dicks in here. And I mean, I don't really have the bum, but I love it. This look, I know I said earlier that I bought everything in a small. This one, I went for the oversized look. I wanted that kind of casual, biker shorts, oversized top look. And I'm not sure how I feel about it, but here we go. So we have this butterfly top, which is in, I got in a medium, but it is absolutely huge. And then these biker shorts as well, which I think could go with anything. Could make an outfit out of these pretty easily. But yeah, I quite like it. And one of the final things is this cute little purple dress. At the moment, I have literally been loving this colour. I think the top of this is so cute. I literally love it. I'm a really big fan. Also got this really cute bag, which I think goes really well with this dress. Cute, cute, cute. It's a like butterfly choker. Like I said, I love stacking, so like I tend to have this one as my shortest one. You can see this on my Instagram post. Go check out my Instagram. But yeah, I literally love this so much. I think that's it. I think I've showed you everything. You've just seen £300 worth of clothes. I'm pretty happy with basically everything that I got. Like, there was only a couple things that I'm a bit about, but I'm not going to send them back. I'm just going to keep them. I'm sure I'll find a use for them at some point, and the minute that I get rid of them, I'll want them again. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Please let me know if you buy anything. Let me know in the comments what other videos you want to see. If you like this one, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Go follow my Instagram. Go follow my TikTok. The whole shebang. Right, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. See you next time.